Welcome back, good day everyone. I'm Mr. Victor Ojo. It's been a while and we are back for you. Okay, today we'll be looking at waves and we're giving a little explanation of what wave. Oftentimes students get it complicated when some concept in physics is being mentioned to them, and I do tell my people and my students that do come around me that until you're able to elaborate and practically explain some concept in physics, then you don't truly understand it. So today we're looking at waves. What is waves? What really is waves? It's a concept that is used in the eyesight world and not only in the scientific framework but outside. So wave is a disturbance that travels through a medium, transferring energy from one point to the other. And waves as a disturbance don't just happen the way it is. Something causes waves to happen. That's an external force. So that disturbance that happens that causes the wave is from an external body. So that's why it's a disturbance that transfers energy from one point to the other. There is a movement of waves anytime there is a disturbance, anytime there is an action of force causing it to move. And wave can occur in solid, it can occur in all matter, that's solid, liquid and gas. Of course, in liquid, I will be explaining in a short while, in less than a second, how you can experience wave in liquid. You can also find it in sound. That's when you see wave in sound, we are looking at in gas, because sound is not something you can see, you can only feel it. You can see that there are waves being formed anytime there is a speaker being played. It goes like this. So it's a disturbance. I'm going to show you in liquid, and also in solid. There is also a disturbance in solid. When you tie a rope in a particular end and a free rope and you hit it this way, you see that it's moving in this way zigzagly. That tells you that there is a wave being formed because it was being disturbed. And of course, in liquid, you can find wave all over liquid. When you check the oceans, you see that there is a wave being formed. Most times, it's being caused by these big aquatic animals in the water that passes. It causes wave, and also it can be caused by wind and other factors. They cause the river, the ocean to bring out waves, which sometimes is very dangerous and is not good as humans to go into the ocean. Anytime you see some turbulence like that, so some turbulence sometimes will be caused by aquatic animals fighting or just moving in full force or going against a prey in their environment. So you can see that you can find waves in solid, liquid and gas. So when you go out there, someone asks you what's a wave, don't just say waves is a disturbance that travel through a medium, transferring energy from one point to another and all of that all. But have an understanding of what wave is all about. It can be experienced in our environment. That's physics. This is what you can see in your environment. So wave can also be experienced in your environment. So we're gonna do some experiment, just a little one to see how you can see it. Alright, let's try. So we're gonna be experiencing a little practical of what waves is all about. So here is a water in a bowl. This is a little bowl. So I'm gonna strike a little object to it, and then you will see how the wave is being formed in liquid. Alright, let's go. Now you can see the waves being formed. It's moving in this form in different location. That's because I have disturbed this particular liquid. I disturbed it. That's what causes the wave. So wave cannot just occur on its own like that. There must be something that will happen that will cause the wave. So it's a signal that will tell that okay, something is happening. Or if there is a speaker around this location, it will cause some vibration. Hit it again, you will see it. You can see the wave being formed. Alright, so guys, that's all waves is all about. You have been able to understand the concept of what wave is all about today. And if you find this video very interesting, do to subscribe, share and tell someone about it. I'm also throwing out the class. I also organize class likewise. If you want a one-on-one class, Zoom, I organize classes on Zoom, Google Meet, Telegram and so on and so forth at your convenience. You just bring up the problem you are having and we resolve it together. But don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you later.